And this is a tutorial on how to use the lightning connector with iPhone and iPad devices. So here you'll take the CleverDrive and you'll turn it upside down and slide the bar up. You'll open the USB up, and then you notice there's a connector in here. In order to use this device with an iPhone or iPad, you will insert this with the logo side up into the iPhone or iPad device. So here we'll go ahead and insert the lightning connector into the iPhone. Now, this device uses a accompanying app that you can download from the App Store. So if it doesn't prompt you to download an app, you go to the App Store and you'll search for Y-Disk. So Y-D-I-S-K. Search, and you'll find it right there. And so go ahead and hit the download button, and you'll see on the phone that it's downloading. And when you click on it, you give it access to your photos, access to your files. And this is the way that you can transfer, store, and share photos and videos with iPhones or iPads. So here you'll see that the USB data has been loaded. So you can see in the app there's a lot of different files and categories and sections. So you have internal, that means the photos and videos that are on your actual device, and then those that are actually on the USB. So it separates it out, internal versus USB. Additionally, you'll have photos, videos, music, and documents. In addition, you have the ability via File Explorer to really dive deep into all your photos that are available on your phone internally, as well as an automated backup. So if you want to back up your contacts or recover contacts or export your photos in a single click, you can do that from this menu. And then this is where you'll access your settings and how much storage you've used to date. So if you look at the My Category folder here, if you want to go ahead and transfer and share photos or videos to your USB, you can click the three circles at the top and select your photos. In this case, I want to go ahead and take these two. And then I'm going to use this copy button, copy to USB. It's going to go ahead and prepare to copy those photos. And then if you check the USB folder, you'll notice that those photos will populate in real time and now be stored on the USB. If you want to take photos from your USB, let's say you save them from other phones or devices, you can take them and do the same thing in reverse. Select them, copy them, and then you want to copy them to your photos on your iPhone. So essentially on your actual real device storage. You note that those photos are going ahead to prepare, 48%, and they will soon be ready. It's 100%. So now those two nature pictures will be in the internal storage. As you can see, they populated right there. Now, if I go back to the USB and I want to take a photo, in this case, the nature photo, and I want to share it with social media, I can take and click the share button, and it will prepare that photo to be shared on social media. And then I can choose my social media that I want to share it on. Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, the list goes on. So you can share the photos that are in your USB in real time with all of your social media friends. For more tips and tricks on how to use the app or details on how to use the device with your iPhone or iPad, visit us at www.cleverdanbrand.com/quickstart.